2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.